Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your story privacy on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Did you know that you can choose who can see your story on Facebook? So first of all, if you want to choose just some people who can see your Facebook story, first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. You can see I've made story before on my Facebook account. You can tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on that. There is an option, Edit Story Privacy. You can tap on that. Now you can choose who can see your story. Your story will be visible for 24 hours on Facebook and Messenger. You can choose public, so anyone on Facebook or Messenger can see your story, or you can choose only your Facebook friends. So only your Facebook on friend who can see your story, or you can custom. You can choose people to share your story with. You can choose just a couple of friends, but I will choose friends here. You can also choose who to hide your story from by tap on hide story from. If you don't want your friend from Facebook see your story, you can tap on hide from and choose account or friend that you want to hide your story from. Now you can go back and Facebook will update your settings, your story settings. So whenever you made a story on Facebook, your story only can see by your friend on Facebook. So that is how to change your story privacy on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!